Tesla has created Dojo, a custom supercomputer platform designed specifically for AI machine learning and video training. This platform uses video data from Tesla's fleet of vehicles. Tesla has built a custom computer system called Dojo, which uses their own specially designed chips and infrastructure. Despite already having a powerful NVIDIA GPU-based supercomputer, this new system is unique to Tesla. Tesla is set to increase its capability to train neural networks using video data through the use of a custom-built supercomputer. This technology is crucial to the development of its self-driving efforts and computer vision technology. During Tesla's AI Day 2021, the company introduced its Dojo Supercomputer, which was still in the early stages of development. At that time, the company had only produced its first chip and training tiles, and was still in the process of constructing a complete Dojo cabinet and cluster, known as an exapod. During its AI Day 2022, Tesla showcased the advancements achieved with the Dojo program in the past year. The company announced that it transitioned from a chip and tile to a complete cabinet system tray. According to Tesla, a single Dojo tile can replace 6 GPU boxes and is less expensive. Each tray contains 6 of these tiles. Tesla is not just an automaker, but also a technology company that is developing products to accelerate the transition to a sustainable economy. This is why they are developing the world's most powerful supercomputer. According to Musk, it would be practical to provide Dojo as a service. This could be a way to compete with Amazon AWS, which is owned by his friend Jeff Bezos. The service would enable users to train their models at a quicker pace and for less cost, and it would be available online. To be more precise, Tesla requires Dojo for the automatic labeling of training videos from its fleet and the training of its neural networks to develop its self-driving technology. Tesla recognized that their method of creating a self-driving system through neural nets, which involved training on millions of videos from their customer fleet, required a significant amount of computing power. As a result, they developed their own supercomputer to provide this power. Although Tesla's short-term goal is to use the supercomputer, they have larger ambitions to develop additional artificial intelligence programs. Therefore, the supercomputer will continue to have significant importance for Tesla in the future. According to Elon Musk, Tesla has finished developing its Dojo supercomputer and it will soon be put to use. The supercomputer has already been operational for several months and has been performing useful tasks. Next month, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer will finally go into production. Once fully functional, it will provide Tesla vehicles with complete autonomy, bringing the company one step closer to achieving this goal. CEO Elon Musk announced that they are currently utilizing the equipment. He tweeted that it has been operational for a few months and has been performing useful tasks. It's possible that the success of the latest versions of FSD Beta is due to the capabilities of the Dojo system. During Tesla's AI Day on August 19, 2021, the company introduced its Dojo supercomputing technology in Fremont. The purpose of Dojo is to enhance the efficiency and precision of training. Tesla's hardware team is designing Dojo as a neural network (NN) chip to speed up the learning process of neural networks on the server side. During a presentation by Ganesh Venkatamanan, Senior Director of Autopilot Hardware at Tesla and Dojo Project Manager, the company's latest advancement was showcased. The Dojo D1 chip, utilizing 7 nanometers technology, was revealed to provide exceptional bandwidth and computing capabilities. The Tesla team created the D1 chip from scratch, designing everything from the architecture to the package. Venkatamanan described the chip as having GPU-level computing power, CPU-level flexibility, and twice the network chip-level I/O bandwidth. According to Venkatamanan, the D1 chip has 354 nodes and each node can perform 1 teraflop, 1024 G-flops, of computation. The whole chip is capable of up to 363 teraflops of computation and has 10 Tbps of on-chip bandwidth and 4 Tbps of off-chip bandwidth. The company created training tiles to construct their computing systems. These tiles have 25 D1 chips in a module and can deliver 9 petaflops of computing and 36 Tbps of off-tile bandwidth. The company intends to install 2 trays of 6 tiles in each cabinet to create Dojo, resulting in 100 petaflops of computing power per cabinet. When finished, the company will have a single exapod that can provide 1.1 exaflops of AI computing power through 10 connected cabinets. The whole system will contain 120 tiles, 3,000 D1 chips, and over 1 million nodes. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.